Hello guys, welcome to Physics Hub. So there is a new update from CSR HRDG CSR about the upcoming CSR NET exam. Actually, nowadays CSR is giving an update through Twitter. Twitter has become the official handle of CSR people. They are not uploading it in website. So what they have uploaded or what they have tweeted rather I say. So we can see July now looks unlikely for the next CSR NET. Will give a clear notice of 2 months when the situation improves. Looking at COVID cases across India, we are still unable to commit a date for the forthcoming edition of CSR NET. Okay, so they are not going to give you a clear-cut date, but they will definitely give you 2 months time before actually telling you the date of your examination. So जुलाई में अगर एग्जाम नहीं होता है, let's say if they declare a date in July, then the exam will not be conducted before August, September. So you can expect, in best case scenario, you can expect an examination in the month of September. Okay, so don't get disappointed by this. Keep on the preparation. Actually, take it positively. Actually, I know most of you, like 90% of the students, cannot complete the whole syllabus, but you have this opportunity to complete your syllabus. And I stress on this fact. I give a special stress on this fact that you should complete the whole syllabus. Sometimes maybe 4 or 5 subjects of your CSR NET physical science syllabus may be strong for you, and you may be weak in few subjects, let's say 3 to 4 subjects. So what happens if you only focus on the strong subjects, and if you completely remove those weak subjects, then it becomes difficult in the examination, because you don't get question as per your expectation. Sometimes you get easy questions from the difficult subjects, and you get difficult questions from the easy subjects. So it's my recommendation to you, try to cover the whole syllabus. There may be 7 strong subjects, but you should also do the other weak subjects as well, at least short notes, PYQs, and other things, so that if some straightforward and easy question come from those weak area, you can easily attempt them. In this way, your chance will be more. Okay, so it's a better time or good opportunity to do this. And while I was going through the comment, I was looking at a few things there. Like, look, from the last 1 year after the pandemic, CSR is being conducted once in a year. So many of you have the problem of age. So yeah, this is in a pandemic situation, is okay, but at least give age relaxation. So I think this is a very valid point. Many of you are like, would have given this examination if it would have been conducted in the month of June, but because of that age limit, many of you may not be able to give this examination. So you can raise your voice, you can tweet to CSR people, so that it comes into their notice and they can raise the upper age relaxation. Okay, otherwise look, it's a good thing that CSR is delaying this examination, because the situation is really very critical. In this situation, conducting an exam is not a good idea. But you can think that you have let's say this is May, then you have June, July, August, September. So roughly 4 months you have in your hand, so you can make your preparation very strong. And let me just tell you, this time the competition is going to be very high, so you have to be ready from all aspects. Don't just get dependent on 6 or 7 subjects. Try to cover the whole syllabus. This is not the previous era where you used to cover only 6 to 7 subjects and you could have easily cracked JNE. But this time has changed. Now we have to do everything to crack this examination. The best way is to cover the whole syllabus. Okay, so I think you will act accordingly, and you will take this positively. And if you have any query regarding this, or regarding your preparation or anything else, you can let me know in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Unacademy is India's largest teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like UPSC, NET, GATE, IIT JAM, IIT JEE, etc. In particular, if you want to prepare for CSIR NET Physical Science exam, you can join my Unacademy Plus classes. Take any of the plan and apply our referral code FLIXUP to get 10% discount. One subscription will allow you to watch all the live and recorded videos of all educators of all time. Here I have listed some of the great benefits of taking Unacademy Plus subscription. In particular, you get daily live classes, you get part length and full length tests, you get unlimited questions to practice, unlimited quiz, assignments and their detailed solutions, and you can also watch the videos offline if you are not able to attend the classes online. So take Unacademy Plus subscription today using our referral code FLIXUP and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal.